Welcome to our channel. If you want to optimize storage on your Google Pixel device, follow these simple steps to free up space and improve device performance. Step 1. Open the Settings app on your Pixel device by swiping down from the top of the screen and tapping the gear icon. Step 2. Scroll down and tap on Storage to view a detailed breakdown of how your device's storage is being used. Step 3. Review the storage categories including apps, photos, videos, audio, documents, and system files to identify what's taking up the most space. Step 4. Tap on Free Up Space button at the top of the storage screen. Your device will scan for items that can be safely removed. Step 5. The system will suggest items to delete, such as backed up photos, videos, app data, and downloaded files. Review these suggestions carefully. Step 6. Select the items you want to remove by checking the boxes next to them. The system shows how much space you'll recover with each item. Step 7. Tap Free Up to delete the selected items. Make sure important photos and files are backed up to Google Photos or Google Drive before deletion. Step 8. Enable Smart Storage in the storage settings to automatically remove backed up photos and videos after 60 days, keeping your device optimized continuously. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel.